I'm at a Mastercraft Kitchens showroom. With me, Kristen Reed, head designer. She's going to take me around and show me some stuff.
Great, let's go.
What can I do to add some punch to my kitchen?
Don't feel like you have to stick with the same material bench top throughout the whole kitchen. This is a good example of mixing materials. We've got stainless steel on the island in a linen finish, which is great because it hides fingerprints. But just to get in a price point that suits the customer, we've got a laminate bench top at the back. So it looks a little bit like concrete, a bit stainlessy, so it blends in just fine, but it's better price and it's super practical.
Save there, spend here.
Very trendy to mix up materials too. When in this kitchen alone, there's 4 different materials. We've got 2 different bench tops and 2 different cupboard fronts, but they all work so well together and they really do complement each other.
Okay, so what are we going to look at next?
Come with me, I'll show you.
If I come into a Mastercraft showroom, what can I expect?
Well, a lot of our showrooms have showroom displays like this, so you can see doors and panels and big samples of bench tops. There's so many options, so hop into one of our 30 locations and have a look and just get some inspiration, even if you're not ready to start your project. And the key is that we're here to guide you towards your dream kitchen, not dictate to you what you should and shouldn't have.
So if I come in here, I can literally take samples home with me?
Yes, you can, and we encourage you to do that so you can really think about it for a while, and you know, the more thought you put into it now, the better the outcome.
Don't mind if I do. Now that we've covered off all the surfaces and bits and pieces, I have my samples. Yay! Okay, tell me about the hardware for a kitchen, because it is one of the most important things, isn't it?
Hinges are really important in the kitchen, and we don't just opt for your standard 90-degree hinge. We make sure it's practical for the space. We've got an electric lift door here.
I like that.
With a button to close it.
Even better.
A flat door above the hob is ideal for when the cupboard is open, it's not close to your face and potentially going to hit your head on it.
It's going up and past.
Practical to leave it open when you're cooking, you can just reach your condiments. Behind you is a pantry. Open that.
Oh, look at that. So the door folds right back here.
Yeah, that door opens further than 90 degrees, so your pull-outs don't scratch the door. In the kitchen, primary tasks are carried out between the refrigerator, cooktop and sink. So what the goal is to create a nice invisible triangle between those 3 items so that you're creating a kitchen that's easy to work in.
Well, it makes sense. So once again, this comes down to planning and catching up with your designer.
Yes, failing to plan is planning to fail.
So what are we talking about here?
The importance of using an experienced designer.
Okay, so we all know modular kitchens, they have their place. Typically we see them used in smaller kitchens. I mean, do you agree with this sort of thought?
I would recommend you use a designer for a small space to really maximise that space for your storage. You want to choose the right corner fitting for the cupboard, you know, the awkward corner, the high to reach spaces, and a designer is going to show you the right things for that kitchen to maximise your investment. Designing kitchens is what we do every day, and we're good at it, and we know how to really give you the best result with the money you're going to spend.
Thanks so much. I've really enjoyed learning all my new information. I've got my samples. Let's get out of here.